Welcome to this real world case study on SAP MB52. Today we will explore how TechForge Electronics, a mid sized manufacturer of smartphones, chargers, and wireless earbuds based in Malaysia, transformed their inventory management. With three warehouses, over 50 material codes, monthly production of 15,000 units, and annual revenue of RM 85 million, they implemented SAP S4HANA 2 years ago. Like many growing companies, they faced serious inventory challenges. Let's see what went wrong and how they fixed it using the powerful SAP MB52 Stock Overview report. Before using MB52 effectively, TechForge was struggling. They had frequent stock discrepancies between physical stock and what the system showed. This caused production delays and expensive emergency purchases. They were overstocking slow moving items, drying up RM 2.8 million in excess inventory. Critical components often faced stockouts, resulting in RM 1.2 million in lost sales in just one quarter. Poor visibility across plants and storage locations combined with error prone manual Excel tracking made the situation even worse. These problems were hurting their efficiency and profitability. But everything changed when they started using SAP MB52 properly. Within just 4 months, stock accuracy jumped from 72% to 96%. They freed up RM 1.06 million by reducing excess inventory by 38%. Stock out incidents dropped by 65%, and the procurement team could finally make smart decisions using real time available quantity data. This is the power of MB52, giving complete visibility of unrestricted, quality inspection, blocked, and reserved stock. Let's dive deeper into their journey. So, welcome back to this case study. TechForge Electronics is a dynamic, mid sized company based in Malaysia, specializing in consumer electronics like smartphones, chargers, and wireless earbuds. They operate three large warehouses and manage more than 50 different material codes. Every month, they produce around 15,000 units to meet growing market demand. 2 years ago, they successfully implemented SAP S4HANA to modernize their operations. With an annual revenue of RM 85 million, efficient inventory management is critical for their continued growth. In this video, we will see how they used SAP transaction MB52 to solve serious stock related problems. Before implementing proper controls, TechForge's warehouse looked like this in the picture: chaotic and disorganized. Workers were constantly struggling to locate materials. There was a big gap between what the system showed and what was physically available on the shelves. This mismatch created many operational headaches. Production lines would stop unexpectedly, and the team had to rush emergency purchases at higher prices. The lack of accurate stock visibility was costing them both time and money every single week. Imagine the materials manager's daily struggle, sitting at his desk, surrounded by multiple Excel sheets, trying to manually track stock and movements. These spreadsheets were full of errors and outdated information. Frequent stock discrepancies led to production delays, unhappy customers, and last minute firefighting. The entire team was under huge pressure. They knew they needed a better system, and that's exactly what they turned to SAP's MB52 Stock Overview report for help. Here we see the starting point of their solution. The team logs into SAP S4HANA and enters the transaction code MB52. This is the powerful stock overview report that would change how they managed inventory. Instead of relying on guesswork and Excel files, MB52 gave them a single source of truth. In the next few slides, I will show you exactly how they used this transaction to gain complete control over their stock. So let's move to next selection screen in MB52. The first important step is filling the selection screen correctly. The team selected specific plants, storage locations, material ranges, and even batches. They also included special stock indicators. This attention to detail is what makes MB52 so powerful. By applying the right filters, they could view exactly what they needed instead of getting overwhelmed with thousands of irrelevant lines. Proper selection criteria became their foundation for success. Here is a real example of MB52 stock overview report. You can clearly see columns for material number, plant, storage location, unrestricted stock, quantity inspection stock, blocked stock, and total available quantity. For the first time, the team could see the complete picture, not just one number, but the breakdown of stock status. This visibility helped them make quick and accurate decisions about production and procurement. So that was the help of MB52 T code. So look at this split view. On the left, you see the physical reality, almost empty shelves for phone batteries. On the right, MB52 shows only 45 pieces available in the system. This kind of clear comparison helped them immediately identify critical low stock items before they caused production stoppages. Previously, they would only discover such shortages when it was already too late. Stockout situations were one of their biggest problems. As you can see, the red alarm. Critical components would suddenly run out, leading to RM 1.2 million in lost sales in a single quarter. After adopting MB52, they started getting early warnings. They could see reserved quantities and upcoming requirements. This proactive approach dramatically reduced emergency situations and helped maintain smooth production flows. So, next, on the other side of the problem was the overstocking. Slow moving items were accumulating dust in the warehouse, typing up RM 2.8 million in working capital that was just blocked. MB52 made these excess stocks very visible. The team could easily identify materials that had high stock levels but very low consumption. This insight allowed them to stop unnecessary purchases and focusing on liquidating slow movers. Every week, the materials manager would run fresh MB52 reports and discuss them with the team in review meetings. They used different variants for different views, one for high level items, another for all plants. This regular practice turned MB52 from an occasional tool into a core part of their inventory management process. The entire team started making decisions based upon real data instead of assumptions that was being done in the past. Here's a powerful before and after comparison. On the left, you see the old chaotic situation with errors and losses. On the right, everything is organized and under control. Within just 4 months of consistent MB52 usage, stock accuracy improved from 72% to 96%. This transformation didn't happen by magic. It came from disciplined use of report and the follow-up actions. So this was one of the benefits for MB52 transaction. Plus, with better visibility from MB52, TechForge introduced regular cycle counting. Warehouse staff would count high value and fast moving items more frequently. They no longer needed to do full physical inventory counts that shut down operations. Instead, they used MB52 to prioritize which materials needed counting each week and so on. This approach saved time and improved accuracy significantly. The procurement team also benefited greatly from this MB52 usage. During meetings, they would review MB52 reports together to analyze available quantity and upcoming requirements. This helped them negotiate better with suppliers, optimize order quantities, and avoid both overordering and underordering. Better procurement decisions became one of the biggest advantages of using MB52 transaction. So, the financial impact of this was very impressive. By reducing excess inventory by 38%, they freed up RM 1.06 million in working capital. That was impressive. This money could now be used for other important business activities. These results show how better inventory visibility directly improves cash flow and profitability. One of the strongest reasons to master SAP MB52 is the saving that you are looking at the screen. Thanks to improved stock management, the production floor now runs smoothly. Workers no longer face sudden shortages that stop the assembly line, and it also impacts the efficiency of line. Output is more consistent, delivery commitments are met on time, and employee morale has improved significantly. This is the real operational benefit of using MB52 effectively. Now you can see that production is very smooth, no more stockouts, 65% improvement. MB52 provides excellent breakdown of stock categories. The pie chart shows unrestricted stock, quality inspection, blocked, and reserved quantities. Understanding different categories helped team take corrective actions. So, for example, releasing quality stock faster or cleaning blocked items promptly. This level of detail was missing in their old Excel based systems. Here's an advanced view of MB52 where they applied filters for batch management and special stock. This helped them manage materials with expiration dates and customer specific stock very effectively. The flexibility of MB52 allowed them to drill down from a high level overview all the way to individual batch details whenever needed. You can also see in this picture where you have material, description, plant, storage location, batch, unrestricted stock, etc. After 4 months of dedicated effort, the results were worth celebrating. Stock accuracy reached 96%, excess inventory was reduced significantly, and stock out incidents dropped by 65%. The whole team felt proud of this achievement. Their success story proves that with the right SAP tool and proper usage, even complex inventory problems can be solved very efficiently and effectively. Let's summarize the key best practices that TechForge followed. Always run MB52 regularly. Save your frequently used selection variants. Combine the report with physical verification and analyze stock by plant and storage location. Focus specially on high value and fast moving materials. These simple habits help them achieve outstanding results and can help your organization too. In conclusion, TechForge Electronics successfully transformed their inventory management using SAP MB52 from serious stock problems to excellent visibility and major cost savings. The journey shows the real value of this transaction. If you are managing inventory in SAP, I strongly recommend mastering MB52. Thank you for watching this case study. Please like, share, and comment below if you want more SAP MM tutorials. Stay tuned for the next video. For any question or any suggestion, just try it in comments tab. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.